Clean water and fresh air can no longer be taken for granted. Our global climate is changing dramatically due to man-made emissions and pollution. To be environmentally sound is a great challenge for everyone, industry included. For 30 years, OSO Hotwater has focused strongly on the environment and use of resources. Today, OSO is the proud manufacturer of the world's most environmentally friendly and technically advanced water heaters. The product range includes domestic water heaters, home heating systems, and commercial water heaters. No one mass produces stainless steel heaters more resource effectively and with a longer lifespan than OSO. OSO is today a model company on environmental issues and a multiple prize winner as the best environmental company in Scandinavia. The history of the OSO success dates way back to 1932, when the founder Reidar Frølich Bråten started welding boilers for hot water. In the 1950s, the company grew and employed over 100 skilled workers. In the late 60s, the factory moved to their new site south of Oslo, and the next generation of the Bråten family took over the business. Increasing acidic concentration in fresh water was not only an environmental problem, but could also damage steel. Through revolutionary new methods of welding, OSO developed water heaters in stainless steel, more resistant to acidic water and chlorides. In 1970, Chris Reidar Bråten launched the world's first mass-produced stainless steel water heater with a doubled lifespan and a 50% reduction of raw materials.
Vi var veldig stolte den gangen vi lanserte den nye berederen.
We were very proud when we launched these new heaters. It was a giant step, not only in terms of production technology, but also for the environment because of the elongated lifespan. In the 1980s, the factory developed an even more effective production line, and OSO became the supreme market leader in Norway. Superb quality and affordable prices proved an unbeatable combination. Today, OSO is one of the world's leading manufacturers of stainless steel water heaters with a substantial turnover. The company has separate subsidiaries and dedicated agents in many parts of the world. OSO supplies hot water to 80% of the European shipping industry, in addition to a vast number of well-known buildings around the world. OSO is also a major supplier to heat pump manufacturers all over Europe. Currently, about half of OSO's production is exported. 20,000 square meters of factory space and over 200 employees give OSO plenty of capacity to serve a demanding and ever-growing market. Each working day, over 800 heaters are made. Warehouse capacity at all times for 2 months production means that OSO always can deliver. Today, the third generation of the Frølich Bråten family has joined the management of the company and is ready to take traditions and visions further.
We are a moderately sized and effective organization with the ability to adapt quickly to market shifts. Being flexible is something our customers appreciate. OSO also has the financial strength and willingness to lead the development both of products and also manufacturing technology, while maintaining our environmental focus, which we've done through the last 40 years.
The factory's new production line is fully automated, run by high-tech industrial robots. The operator's job is to monitor the process and maintain steady production. Every single tank is pressure tested with double the normal operating pressure before moving on in the production process. Plastic bottoms and tops are produced in a separate plant nearby. every 45th second, a new heater is finished and packed by the robots.
We have chosen to establish a very high degree of automation level in our new production line due to the fact that we experienced very high pressure on prices and margins. During the planning of this new production line, we have tried to implement best practice solutions to have a very high efficiency and a very high product quality.
The new Super Series from OSO are designed using their own pioneering water heater technology. OSO's products have also been developed with the plumber's work in mind. The heaters are designed to work as plug and play. All connections are made from the top, the pipes hidden under the insulated cover. The installation job is done in 15 minutes. Continuous research and development are also an important part of the business and have paved the way for the design of the new Super Series. In the factory's laboratories, new ideas are developed and tested.
Today, the company has an holistic approach that affects the environmental impact of our heaters in a positive way through their entire lifespan.
OSO has worked in cooperation with German welding specialists, Finnish steel suppliers, and metallurgists from the offshore industry in developing the new and revolutionary welding method. This has resulted in amazing strength and a long life, up to 30 years, along with minimized weight. All this means huge savings in raw materials and an unrivaled lifespan economy. The heater maintains a high water temperature of 75 degrees centigrade. This eliminates Legionella bacteria. It also means that you can use a smaller heater. The supreme OSO Eco foam insulation in the heater also results in low power consumption. The power box that used to be uninsulated represented a loss of heat. Now the new Super Series has an integrated power box in non-inflammable plastic, providing substantially increased insulation. OSO was the first company in the world to offer free recycling of used heaters, 15 years before this was mandatory. The consumption of electric power in the plant has been drastically reduced due to heat recycling and the use of alternative energy. Solvent-based enamels have long since been replaced by powder coating, and the drying ovens are run on propane instead of electricity. Conservation of the environment and quality of life have also become synonymous with OSO, which has set up its own environmental trust, the OSO Eco Foundation.
Takket være tilskudd fra salg av OSO-beredere.
Thanks to the sales of OSO heaters, the foundation has been able to conduct a series of important environmental projects the last 15 years, and I feel that this is the company's payback to society for the faithful trust we have been shown through more than 2 generations.
Gjennom mer enn 2 generasjoner.
OSO Eco Foundation will take new initiatives and support selected projects to raise environmental consciousness in society. OSO's own Building Services Centre is unique of its kind and is regularly used by customers and employees. Each year, extensive courses and professional training are offered to more than 3,000 people in the trade. Here, tomorrow's solutions for environmentally friendly heating are presented.
In regard to the world's future energy situation, one of our primary goals has been to develop better, simpler and cheaper heat exchanging products. This will ensure energy-flexible solutions for our customers and clients. That way, they will be able to exploit different renewable energy sources as an alternative to electricity, such as solar power, geothermal energy, and biomass.
I don't know any company that has experienced such purposeful and continuous success and progress as OSO. Market leader in Norway for 35 years, continuously growing exports, fully automized high-tech production line. OSO's products are in the global forefront, and the lifetime economy they achieve is unbeatable. OSO has proved that it's perfectly possible to combine highly technological industrial production with environmentally sound procedures, and also that it is profitable for the business.